Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Travelers Insurance Review, my US personal and business policy experience. Travelers Insurance offers a range of personal and business insurance policies in the US, covering everything from auto and home insurance to more specialized business liability coverage. Their target audience is individuals and businesses looking for comprehensive insurance protection. Key features often include coverage customization options, online account management, and 24/7 claim reporting. Their website provides details on all their policy offerings. Travelers emphasizes financial strength and stability, aiming to provide reliable coverage when you need it most. They highlight convenient online tools for managing policies and filing claims. While pricing varies depending on the specific coverage, they aim for transparent pricing with no hidden fees. Availability of specific policies depends on your location, which you can usually check on their website by entering your zip code. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Travelers for my personal auto and renters insurance, as well as a business liability policy for my small consulting business. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I used their website to get quotes for both personal and business coverage, comparing different options before choosing the ones that best fit my needs. The online interface was easy to navigate, allowing me to easily view policy details, make payments, and update my contact information. I even filed a small auto claim after a minor fender bender. The process was surprisingly smooth. I reported the incident online, uploaded photos of the damage, and a representative contacted me within a day to schedule an appraisal. The claim was processed quickly and efficiently. The standout feature for me was definitely the online document access. I could download policy documents, proof of insurance, and claim-related paperwork whenever I needed them. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for business policy management, which would have been more convenient. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for my business policy, but their customer support was helpful when I had a question about coverage specifics. They responded within a day via email with a clear and concise answer. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Travelers Insurance. While a dedicated business mobile app would be a welcome addition, the ease of use, comprehensive coverage, and efficient claims process have been positive aspects of my experience. That's my overview of Travelers Insurance Review, my US personal and business policy experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.